back to my channel, it's Zayni, and today I'm back with another review, but this time it's the Samsung Galaxy Tab A. So let's open it. So as you can see, the tab comes in a cloth type cover. There's a little sticker here, you open it up from there. So if I show you first what comes with it. So you have the USB charger and the USB plug. Also with the instructions manual. So the charger can go up and down. If you put this part right about there, make sure it goes in the right way. Samsung Galaxy Tab A. You can see the back is golden. There's 3 different types of colors. There's golden, silver, and black. As you can see, I've got the golden one here. This is the cover. Well, it doesn't really come with it. I've brought this separately from the Amazon website. If you want to go to buy your own one, that's fine. You can go to the Amazon website. As you can see, this is how it looks. Hold it into like this. So what you do, you hold it flat, and then there's magnetic parts. You attach it to here, and then that's how you talk about the tab. As you can see, at the front, at the side, we have the home button and the volume button. Down here is the USB plug, and then on the sides of it, we have the speakers. So if we turn it on from this button, also there's a camera at the back there, and the Samsung logo. You can see it says the date, and you have to swipe to the side. And now this is the kids' home. As you can see, they have their own browser, a camera. It's for children to be safe online. Click on it and we go to parent control. It can control you whilst you're on the app, on your tab, and make sure you're safe. Okay, so then there you are, back onto your home. As you can see, there's different apps here. You can click on here to go to the weather. So now I'm going to tell you about the home button. So as you can see, it's a Samsung Galaxy Tab, so it has the home button here, and this is to close all your apps you've been on, and this goes back. As you can see, just the battery and the Wi-Fi, and then the time right on the corner there. And I'm going to switch it off. Okay, I'm going to put this. About the camera, there's a camera. I hope you liked this review. If you did, smash the like button, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!